crank. In this drill, this is how you start with butterfly pull-ups, how you start feeling the movement. This is starting from the shoulders. The shoulders are absolutely the driving force here. Your feet simply follow. So really focus on your feet, not doing shit here. Your shoulders are really pulling the way. So we're gonna start with a dead hang, and then we're gonna start a strict small circle. So once she has a dead stop, then she's gonna use her elbows and shoulders to pull up, forward, and through. Up, forward, and through. So just a small circular pattern, and then she's gonna build on each other. So her feet are gonna naturally follow where she goes. As she goes back, her feet are in front. As she goes forward, her feet are behind. And that circle just grows and grows and grows. So we start really small here, and then it builds. So one more time. You got it. So if you need someone to help you do this, to feel it out, you can get a little bit of support, and up, forward, and through, and just kind of help to feel that movement. But there is no dead spot. You never let it drop. You are pulling back, pulling up, pulling forward, pulling through. One consistent turn. That's why I call it turn to crank. It's like there's always pressure in your hands. There is no fall with this butterfly.